Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for my own analysis, learning and only for educational purpose. So please subscribe to my channel for daily watch list and research it, do your analysis and then learn trading. One thing, mostly a stock price moves according to the move of market. When I say market, then means Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in first 5 minutes, watch how they are moving and take the trade in the direction of market. When you will take the trade in the direction of market, then movement will be better. So let's go through our previous performance. So yesterday I had given Berger Paint above 610 in the buy side and 62 in the lower side. So yesterday this the level did not execute and it was trading in fact between 602 and 610. So today in fact Berger Paint is in my today watch list also. So today if it breaks 612, if it breaks 612, then I will go in buy side, and if it breaks 606, then I will go in sell side. Probably it should break 610, 612, and then it should move up. The next in my watch list was Hind Zinc. Hind Zinc in 5 minutes it broke 223 and moved up to 225. But I could not trade as the first 5 minute candle was not convincing. The third in my watch list was Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra, I took the trade in Mahindra and Mahindra. In 5 minute chart, Mahindra and Mahindra broke 634 and it went up to 637. But I entered into Mahindra and Mahindra when the first 5 minute red candle high was getting broken at around um, 631.70, and my stop loss was 628. I took the trade on for second, third, fourth candle when its high was getting broken, and exited when this candle was getting formed, this doji type candle. So yesterday I took trade only in Mahindra and Mahindra. In my today's watch list for 8th October, first I have selected is Berger Paint. Then in my watch list is PNB Housing Finance. PNB Housing Finance, observing that from last few days it is trading in the range of 330 to 350, and yesterday it was trading in the range of 342 and 352. So 350 at around 350 to 53 it is taking resistance. So if it breaks today, if it breaks 353, then it should give 2-3 rupees movement in the upside, and if it breaks 342, then it may come up to 330 337 first, 337 first, and then 330 334. The next in my selection is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank also yesterday uh, the first 5 minute candle was not broken convincingly, and it was taking support at 1321.50, and in the upper side it was facing resistance at around 1340. So today if it breaks 1340, then it may give it may give some 4 5 rupees movement in the upside. I am biased towards sell side. So if it breaks 1320, then again it may come up to 1310 first. So see, the ideal scenario to enter in Kotak Bank is if it opens. See, the difference is 20 rupees, right? So if it opens in the upper 10 rupees or in lower 10 rupees, then you move your trade according to where it is opening and which side it is breaking. Now suppose it is, if it is opening at between 1310 and 1320, and in that case if it breaks 1340, then it will not be a good trade because it already have traveled a long distance. Same in the sell side, if it opens above 1340 and then if it breaks 1320, then it will be not a good trade because risk and reward and your SL will not be ideal. I feel if it breaks 1320, then it may drag Bank Nifty also today. The next on my radar is Axis Bank. Axis Bank I have selected because it is taking resistance at this trend line, and this this is previously also it was taking resistance around in this area. So today I feel if it breaks 455, then it will give very fast movement of 510 rupees in Axis Bank. The chances are very less to break this upper layer. If it opens between if it opens between 450 and 455, and then if it breaks 455, then it will be very good trade in the buy side. If it opens below 455 and 455 and then if it breaks 450, then first it may test 448 and then it may come up to 444 45. So these are the selection. In my watch list I also have SBI Life. SBI Life I will go in buy side above 830 for 3 4 rupees, and in the sell side it may give fast movement below 825 to 822 or 820. So these are my selection for today. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.